Today we're going to be making a bird nest. So first we're going to need an abalone shell. And then you have to clean it out. And then I'm going to walk over here, grab some grass and a plant and another type of plant. So I use this kind of grass right here, which is this plant, grass, and this plant. So first I'm going to put the grass in for a little warm nest, so it's like a warm bed. And then I'm going to pick some of these so it can make it just look beautiful and it looks like real. And then we're going to chop some of these up like this. Just rip them up and then just sprinkle them in like that. And then you're going to walk over here, and then if you want, you could put some mint in here like this.
What's the mint for?
It's to make it smell good.
Oh, okay.
And then you fold it in half, and then you chop it up, and then you sprinkle it. You tuck it under the grass so they don't see it. And then if you want, you can put some flowers so it looks beautiful. I'm just gonna put 3 of them and tuck them in there. Like this. So you can see it. And then if you want, you can dig a little hole or you can just set it in. I'd rather dig a hole. So let's dig a little hole like this and set this in here and then cover it back up. It's okay if you get a little dirt in there because that's how you're supposed to do it. I'm just gonna cover it up and make it so it's not sticking out. And that's how you do a bird nest. Thank you. Bye.